All right, so going into my trade today, as you can see, it worked out pretty fucking well. So I missed my entry up here. I was bearish all day, but I did want to see us retrace to equilibrium of this giant fair value gap after the displacement from news this morning. And I noticed we bounce right off of the 2.5 and form an SMT here and an SMT here. Then we get this big displacement down, and I missed my entry. I had a limit order right here. This is a 5 minute fair value gap, and this is the 15. I figured we would wick into the 5 minute and then hold the 15 minute, but that was not the case. So I thought I missed my entry. We get this displacement down, still don't take the low on NQ or ES. And so now I'm watching. This I forgot to highlight this. It's a 3 minute. This 3 minute FVG is the one I'm watching. So when we come up here, I'm watching to see a reaction out of here. There's also a clean order block here, and I'm waiting. And at the time here, I want to look at ES. ES is just kind of consolidating here, and then we get this big move up to take out internal buy side, and then we instantly get a reaction out of that. We can't even close above this. So once I see that, I'm watching NQ, and I notice this bullish fair value gap here. I see us run right through it, and I entered off the inverse right here, and my stop was just a little bit above the high here. We start to get some movement down. I tried to add right here, which I'm kind of glad I didn't, because I could have possibly been stopped out, but my trading view was tweaking. I was looking to add in this fair value gap. I actually wouldn't have been stopped out, but anyway, so we get a move up. I'm only in 2 contracts at this time, so half size. We're starting to go down, and I'm watching this bullish fair value gap here that's holding. I have it highlighted right here. Holding, boom, goes through it, and I enter off the inverse, and then I move my stop on all 4 contracts to right around here, just a little bit above this high. And I drew this line here to show where my fill was, because I entered half here, half here. This is the equilibrium point of it that made my fill right here. So my TPs were consequent encroachment of these large wicks, and then just the sell side liquidity. And then I took my last position off at CE of this giant wick. This isn't CE right here. CE is right about here. And I took it off there because we formed SMT with ES. My RR on this was crazy. When we get this big candle down, I didn't put my stop to break even quite yet. I waited till the next candle formed, so I know we have a fair value gap here. Then I put my stop to break even, recognizing this is a order block inside of a fair value gap. So if we run through there, we should be running to my stop anyway. So that's when I move. That's the point where I move my stop to break even. I wish we came up to this 5 minute, because I would have banked. But yeah, that's the trade, and I'll go into why I was bearish. Let me delete everything. Take. So zooming out to the 4 hour. Actually, I think this looks better on the 1 hour. Oh, actually, I'm tweaking. I was looking at this. Oh, never mind. Sorry, I'm tweaking. 1 hour. You can see we come up, take out all the buy side, obviously, and we consolidate here in this area. And then we get this sharp move up, which makes me think that this could be manipulation. Nothing to take anything off. Take anything off of. But then this week, so today's Tuesday, Monday we kind of sell off a little bit, and then at the end of Monday, my draw is instantly this low resistance liquidity run here. So going into this morning, news had this sharp move down, but we still didn't take these somewhat relative equal lows. So then I'm watching this fair value gap to see how price wants to react in it. And this morning, I was not looking for shorts. We actually got a buy model inside of this to retrace to equilibrium. So once we get up here, fill the fair value gap, and form the SMT, I'm super bearish. Unfortunately, we never tapped into this 5-minute imbalance, but I was able to get in around here. So both of my entries were on inverses today. Now, I don't think there was like a clear setup. You know, like if there was an SMT here, we got displacement, and I entered off a fair value gap, that would be nice. I don't think I would have taken this trade if my draw on liquidity wasn't so confident. I was super confident we were going to this low, and when I saw this bullish fair value gap get ran through, I thought we would instantly go there, which we chopped for a long time, which is pretty shitty. But yeah, and as you can see, now we're starting to get a move up. We should probably still take that low, but ES took that low. And yeah. Today was my biggest day trading micros on the account. I'm up around $406, which is nice. I'm at an all-time high on the account again. And as you know, yesterday, yesterday I took the 2 losses with my full size. Altogether, those 2 losses were $110. I just had 1 win with my full size and made 406. So, you know, my risk management is on point. Like, I'm staying on top of that, and I'm not taking dumb trades anymore, which is great. And yeah, I hope to keep going with this. My Top Step's busting now. Yeah.